My Unofficial Elf Cookbook comes out today. I'm going to share a few recipes. Of course, the first one, Buddy's famous breakfast spaghetti, a French toast casserole, an olive medley. Oh, spaghetti with red sauce. This is Rocco's recipe, his famous grandmother's recipe, and I'm really excited that I was able to share that in this book. You Smell Like Beef and Cheesesteak. It's a cheesesteak worthy of Artie Lang. Some festive colored popcorn that you can make popcorn strings with as well, just like in the movie. Here's the Buddy the Elf cocktail. And of course, we've got a Manhattan, because New York. Oh, and Santa's stowaway ginger snaps. Remember that scene? There are so many great recipes in this book, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's not just for Christmas. Remember the code of the elves and treat every day like Christmas. Get your copy of the Unofficial Elf Cookbook today.